Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem furnace code 13, fault, diagnosis and step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is replace or clean the air filter. Turn off the furnace, then remove the air filter. Check if it is dirty or clogged. Replace it with a new filter or clean it with reusable. Then turn the furnace back on and check if the code clears. Second one is make sure air vents are open. Walk through your home, then open all supply and return vents. Then remove furniture, rugs or curtains blocking airflow. Then restart the furnace. Third one is inspect the blower motor. Turn off power to the furnace, then remove the access panel. Check if the blower will spin freely. Look for dirt buildup on the blower. Then clean the blower if needed. Restore power and test the furnace. Fourth one is check the limit switch. Turn off the furnace, then locate the high limit switch. Inspect the wiring for loose or damaged connection. Then if the switch appears damaged or repeatedly open, replace it, then restart the furnace. Fifth one is reset the furnace. Turn the thermostat off, then shut off power to the furnace for 5 minutes. Restore power, turn the thermostat back to heat, then check whether code 13 has cleared. Thanks for watching.